Life begins at 40. This is the revolutionary outcome of our new era. Today it is half a truth. Tomorrow it will be an axiom. Walter B. Pitkin. As I approached my 40th birthday, the weight and significance of that number dawned on me, prompting me into deep introspection. While I am no biblical scholar, the symbolism of the journey to 40 resonates deeply with me, which has put my entrance into the mid-season harvest in perspective. The significance of the number 40 in biblical stories has always captivated me. From the 40 days and 40 nights of torrential rain during the Great Flood to the 40 years of aimless wandering in the barren desert, my favorite is the 40 days and nights Jesus spent in the wilderness. During those 40 days and nights, Jesus faced temptations, preparing himself for his remarkable ministry journey, acts of compassion and servitude, ultimately leading to sacrifice, resurrection, and ascension. These stories reflect a profound journey of trials and tribulations. They embody growth and change, patience and preparedness, resilience and divine intervention, resulting in a new layer of insight into my contemplation and reminding me life is a journey, and the journey is where you grow. Throughout my life, I've experienced triumphs and challenges, witnessed personal growth, primarily around my midsection, and continually learned the art of patience while navigating the temptations that abound in our world. As the journey continues and I have entered midlife, I reflect. I am acutely aware of the need to keep learning, growing, and imparting wisdom to my children. Moreover, I am reminded of the story of Julius Caesar. Unbeknownst to him, was close to midlife, thanks to Brutus, who read about the exploits of a much younger Alexander the Great and how it ignited a fire within him, propelling him to forge his path of greatness. What inspires me about these stories is not their exploits but the realization that progress and change can happen at any stage of life. Ironically, my family and I will undergo another dramatic change in the next few weeks. We are embarking on a cross-country move as I pursue graduate school, where surely, divine intervention has played a role. A transition I prayed for daily, worked tirelessly, and it has taken nearly a lifetime to make it happen. Moreover, in the season of change and getting older, I've recently acquired reading glasses and discovered a newfound passion for bird watching, all thanks to my daughter Josephine and her obsession with her Texas bird book. We've had delightful encounters with fascinating species like the great egret and snowy egret, scouring the wilderness together, further deepening my appreciation for the beauty and diversity of nature and bonding with my children. Even more, by observing Celine, my middle child, in her practice of ballet, I have come to appreciate the art of elegance for enriching my journey and reminding me of the beauty that can be found in every step we take. Notably, I've also noticed a shift in my communication style, becoming more loquacious and inclined to pen novel-sized posts. Like Caesar, but not really, I am just a peasant. I stand at a crossroads, inspired by the stories of the past and ready to embark on my journey of personal achievement, but also for the betterment of my family and my lifetime commitment to servitude. I am fully cognizant that the future is uncertain, and the urgency of the moment demands humility and purpose. Life is an ever-changing journey, and one must be open to change to thrive. I am filled with excitement and trepidation as I ponder what the future holds, but I know that time will reveal all. Through it all, I have been prepared and will continue to cherish the journey, wherever it may lead. Here are a few notable lessons I've learned along the way. Document your thoughts and set realistic goals by putting them into writing. Virtues are nothing without action. Hope alone is not enough to drive progress. Many problems are your fault, stemming from poor planning or no plan, ego conflicts, ineffective communication, or procrastination. Do not graze on problems, think them through and do the necessary work. You are what you eat, meaning who and what you surround yourself with can determine your thoughts and actions. Time is finite, use it wisely. In conclusion, as I contemplate my life, I am humbled by the passing of time and the wisdom it has imparted. I vow to cherish each precious moment, from the bustling household circus of young children to the grace bestowed upon me by my beloved French lover, and savor the beauty of life's fleeting moments. I am eternally grateful to all those who have reached out and supported me on my birthday and to those who have guided me along the way. Thank you for being a part of my journey. God bless.